Good afternoon. Welcome to Lizslair, Cosmic Cave of Crystals and Gift Vault. Well, I'm late. Better late than never. You know, Tuesday's a good day to be late. So today I'm late. So you're going to watch me get all set up. So we're going to light our Palo Stone stick. Get our smoke going. See our smoke's going on our Palo Stone stick. Smells like mint. It's part of the mint family. So we asked the Palo Stone stick. I asked you to cleanse me. And I asked you to cleanse Jerry and my dream catchers and my stones. All that are new to me, I bring that you are grateful and you have healing powers and you let go of anything that no longer serves you. And I open myself up for all possibilities and abundance in all areas of my life. I do that for me, for my stones, and Jerry. Thank you, Jerry, for joining me on my life.
We're only a little late.
We're a little late. Okay. Let's get my hat on. Hey, I got my hat on. Can you send some invites?
Yeah.
Jacqueline can't come, but maybe send Phoebe a note and Rebecca a note. And
I'll send whoever I can.
thank you.
I don't know if they're in my
Most of them
share
are.
button or not.
Well, most of them are your friends. You can search.
I know, but it doesn't mean they're in my...
I have my board. I got goodies to show today. Y'all need to get on and talk to me. So what are y'all doing for the new year? I got good things.
See, I don't have...
Okay. Well, I can't do that here.
I don't have Fifi.
I don't know how to do it.
You don't have that ability.
How about comment?
Here, I'll just... Yeah.
L. Oh, it won't let me do it. It won't bring her up.
It's F. I thought it was F-I.
Her name is, if it bring up my messenger on my computer over there, it's under F-E-L-I-C-T-I-T, whatever.
Gotcha.
Plus her last name.
Gotcha.
Whatever.
Well, let's just go, and anybody joins us, they join us.
Hi, welcome to Lizslair, Cosmic Cave of Crystals and Gift Vault. The reason I got started, how I got started in this is I quit my IT job last January of 2022, and I needed to replace my income. So I had a dream of mermaid tears and a story, and I dragged my husband around, and he made me come up with mermaid tears. It comes with a colorful charm, mermaid charm, and a mermaid story about my mermaid fell in love with her ship captain. His ship went down. She used her powers to save the ship captain. God Neptune said you can't do it that way and punished her so she can never resurface again. Therefore, I sell mermaid tears, and every little girl out there gets a tear and a story. Also, if you're not into the tears and you're a guy but you still like mermaids, you know, for you guys, I made mermaid sand, and it comes with a colorful charm. If you wear it during the daytime, it charges in the sun, and at night it glows in the dark. So your parents can find you. We wore them during the hurricane, so my husband could find me in the house when we didn't have any power. So it's called mermaid sand and mermaid tears. These are $8 each, plus shipping and handling. If you're interested in these, just message me. I can send you mermaid sand or mermaid tears in the mail for all the little mermaids out there. So I got my bottles in the mail to create the little bottles to put on your grids or your altar. This one is called Self-Love. It has garnet and rose and strawberry quartz and amethyst. It helps you to meditate, deep healing. The Self-Love brings you harmony. The rose-cut quartz reduces anxiety. The strawberry quartz heals wounds. The garnet is self-confidence, and the amethyst is sleep. And this is for the January zodiac. This is called Self-Love. So I have bottles. These bottles are $1 a piece. $2 a piece. These are called Peridot. This is for if you need success or money. This is the one to put on your altar, or for you to manifest with and put your intentions into. It's for compassion. This brings you abundance and prosperity. So this helps with anger and jealousy. So this works with the Peridot, goes on the anger kit. These sell for $2. Oh, these are really pretty. These are green agate. You see the colors in these? Green agate is the protection stone, rids negativity, energy, balance, gives compassion, good luck, harmony, awakens the self-confidence, harmony, and self-esteem. So if you're needing help in creating self-esteem or harmony in your life, then you need the green agate stone. It helps you create that when you're manifesting. So this is green agate. I'm on my phone, so I didn't. Can you go to my computer and send Elizabeth K a message?
I thought you had to text her.
Well, sometimes she'll check her Facebook message too. So you can, while you're over there, you can send her one and Felicia one, Fifi. I have an amethyst bottle. It's used as a dream stone to help you with insomnia. So you could take this little bottle and put by your bed to help you with your dreams, help you sleep if you're having insomnia. If you're having headaches, you can take it out and rub it across your forehead to rid you of your headaches, or back here where you're having the headaches. So I use amethyst by my bed. If I'm having bad dreams, then I put this by my bed. I'm an Aquarius, so this is my birthstone is amethyst. I wear it. I use it in meditations. I use it with my intentions. It aids in healing. So it has all kinds of benefits with amethyst. So this is a little jar of amethyst. My bottles came in, but my bottles came in to create the little bottles, but I didn't get a chance to create all the little bottles because something else new came in. So there we go. I had to just create. So I spoke about that. I love self-love. Well, strawberry quartz, here's your own jar of strawberry quartz. It increases self-esteem. This aids in self-nurturing and in sleep. So here's another one that it goes with the self-esteem kit that you would keep with you to meditate with, to put it as an intention to work on. I need to really work on my self-esteem. And this is another one for sleep, calming stone. and traveling. So if you're traveling a lot for work, the strawberry quartz is one that I would have with you for traveling. Well, if nobody jumps on today, Jerry, I'm not going to break out the new item, and that will just have to wait until Thursday.
Okay.
Because right now it's just you and I. You and I and a dog named Peanut. Okay, so this is rainbow fluorite. Here's your little jar. Rainbow fluorite. The properties of the rainbow. Blue represents inner peace, mental calmness, and serenity. Purple represents devotional aspects of the mind, focus, and commitment to spirit. Gold is the color of wisdom and understanding. Clear, because there's some clear in there. Clear is for the positivity and the clear, white, good energy it brings to you. Rainbow fluorite. And it looks good in plants because it's all kinds of different colors. You take the stone and you look at it, you can see all the different rainbow looking colors in it. Oh, this is it. Garnet. Garnet is another one for self-love, romance, self-confidence. It regenerizes, boosts your entire system. It's a protective stone known for protect you against evil when you're traveling. If you're having it traveling, protect you against evil, and it will protect you during travel. So here's another stone. If you're traveling, this is the stone for you. If you're having nightmares, this is the one to have by your bed for the nightmares. It's been said to release bad karma and give you positive thoughts. This is called garnet. This is the garnet. We can look under the black light with that stone.
Not garnet.
Not garnet. A ruby. I didn't find that one yet. The garnet kind of looks pretty cool. We need to check that one out anyway.
You might have sold the rubies, I thought.
I thought we got some more. You saw when you logged in that I was burning a Palace Stone stick. So here's my Palace Stone sticks. The Palace Stone stick is known as the holy wood, and these trees are found in the forest of Peru, Guatemala, and Mexico. It is good at releasing the energy. It does the same thing as sage, but it smells better.
So
I won't be on.
We'll finish this up and chat a little bit and see if anybody comes on.
So I have Palatula smudge. Smells good. Helps you clear the negative energy and can protect your space from negative people. Smells like soil and earth, and its grounding effect is calming. Smells good. There used to be a Palatula. I think, is that a spice or something? Might be a spice. Alright, so if you buy, I have a eucalyptus. Any of my smudges comes with a description about the smudge, and I give you a smudging prayer so you can walk through your home and smudge. This one's called Eucalyptus Rosemary Smudge. This has a lemony aroma, clears the mind, calm, cleanse, healing, and spiritual purification. Smudging is a spiritual method to cleanse space of negative energy. Rosemary works well. The plant has a fresh, spicy scent and gives you a peace of mind. So, and if you want to rid odors in the house, you burn the rosemary, and rosemary is supposed to rid the odors that you have in your house, bad odors. Oh, I wish I could smell this one. This one is peppermint. Burning the stick is a great spiritual tool to deepen the meditation or yoga practice, bringing you balance and protection. May help you soothe stress, boost energy levels, and improve your mood, the quality of your sleep. This is known as removing low energies, vibrations from the environment, and strengthen your intuition. This is called peppermint smudge. Thank you, Jerry.
All right, it's 25 minutes after 1 and nobody has joined on.
So,
We can talk for a minute and see if anybody comes on.
we can talk for a minute.
Or we can go ahead and end this and...
Thank you, Jerry, for getting on. I
No
appreciate
problem, baby.
I appreciate you taking time out of your busy day. So what do you got going on, Jerry?
Well, this afternoon I have an appointment with Mom. Went and met with a new client this morning. I took over their social media management.
How exciting!
Yeah, that's pretty exciting. Little ALF.
And the little class that you did, was it yesterday?
Yeah, I think we had 4 people that started a side business yesterday.
That's really cool because we did it, and I've been playing with it and learning on it, and I like it. It's fun. It's exciting. I get to check it every morning. It's just, and I get to make.
Awesome.
It's something awesome.
All right, cool beans. Why don't we go ahead and wrap this up, and we'll see everyone on Thursday.
So I guess since y'all missed out today, I got surprises on Thursday. Have a great day.
Hope to see you then.
Hope to see you then. Bye.